All right, guys, I was going to make a quick note here for the Tidradio, the td-h3. I programmed it with Chirp yesterday, and I wanted to put some simplex frequencies in it. And when I did that, I used OD mastered later on in the evening to do it. I'd already programmed it. I wanted to add simplex. Well, OD master automatically removed the TX on 220, and you can put it back on the radio, but I couldn't figure out why I added simplex frequencies and none of them, the 220 ones weren't working. So if you use OD master, there's a pretty good chance it's going to put these back to how they came stock. And then you can't figure out why it doesn't transmit on 220. And that's probably going to be the reason why. So right now, I've just went in there and made the different changes and reprogrammed the radio. And then we're going to go save our file. But I don't know why it does that. It seems kind of strange. So let's just make sure it works now. I also programmed 6 meters in there. We know it won't do anything, but
2.
See, works now.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And I can show you that it does work. Let me go outside real quick. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.